Hello friends, today we discuss another important question asking in the previous year of CSIR NET examinations of mathematics. The question is that phi a vector space over the field of real number defined as vector space or is a0 x square plus a1x plus a2. This is the vector space generated by the basis 1x x square. So this is the second order equations. Now the inner product defined is PQ. The inner product is integration 0 to 1 px qx with respect to x. Then what is the orthonormal basis for the given basis 1x x square? Here is nothing but 1. This is x and this is x square. So what will their orthonormal basis? Now again we are ready to describe the method as in earlier topic we have discussed the Gram estimated orthogonalization system beta 1, beta 2 and beta 3. Now first of all beta 1 it will be 1 1 dx, so finally we get 1. Now their norm will be root over beta 1 root 1, this will be 1. So first member, so alpha 1 will be first orthonormal basis will be beta 1 upon norm of beta 1, so 1 by 1. So first basis, that is alpha 1, will be 1, the first member of orthonormal basis. Now considering about gamma 2. Gamma 2 is beta 2 minus beta 2 alpha 1 and alpha 1. So first of all we have to find beta 2 alpha 1. So beta 2 alpha 1 will be beta 2 is x and alpha 1 is 1. So their integration according to the inner product. So it will be converted to 1 upon 2. So gamma 2 will be beta 2, that is x, minus beta 2 alpha 1, that is 1 by 2, and x. So x minus 1 upon 2. Now considering about the inner product gamma 2, so x minus 1 by 2, x minus 1 by 2 dx, it will be whole square dx. Their integration, since it is a only polynomial of 1 degree, so power 3 upon 3 by method of integration. This will be converted to by putting upper and lower limit. Finally we get 1 upon 12. So this is the first. Now let us see here about norm of gamma 2. So under root 1 upon 2 root 3. So alpha 2 will be gamma 2 upon norm of gamma 2. It will be finally we get alpha 2, that is second orthonormal basis is root 3 upon 2x minus 3. So this is the second member. Now considering about gamma 3, it is beta 3 minus beta 3 alpha 1 minus beta 3 alpha 2 and alpha 2. So first we have to find beta 3 alpha 1 x square 1, their inner product x square. So we get 1 upon 3. Now 1 upon 3 here, this is the 1 upon 3. So let us take beta 3 alpha 2. What will be beta 3 alpha 2? So their integration alpha 2 I have already find here. So finally by method of integration we can solve under root 3 upon 6. So gamma 3 will be by the formula beta 3 alpha 1 minus beta 3 alpha 2. So finally we get this is the gamma 3. Now when we find the gamma 3, what will be their inner product? Their inner product will be gamma 3 into gamma 3, that is square. So 1 upon 36 a, b or c square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, the basic formula of algebra. So this is when we getting the integration x5 upon 5, x3 upon 3, x4 upon 4, x square, x cube. Now completing the values, putting the values in the given integral, finally we get 1 upon 5 36. So their norm will be 1 upon 6 root 5, and now alpha 3 will be gamma 3 by norm of alpha 3. So 6x square minus 6x plus 1 upon 6 by 1 upon 6 root 5. So 5 will be in numerator, 6x square minus 6x plus 1. So the orthonormal basis for the given basis 1x x square is 1 root 3 2x minus 1 and root 5 6x square minus 6x plus 5. So this is the very important questions asking in the previous CSIR NET examinations. So very important concept.